guys, today we're gonna tie a worm fly, basically used for sea trout here in Scandinavian on the coast, but it's a worm fly that you can probably use everywhere in the world for trout and other species. I tied this one with marabou and a woolly body, and then we have some foam in the front. The foam is to give it a little bit more weightless in the water so you can fish it slower. It was a little bit foam here that pushed the water so you can fish it a little bit higher and slower. So that's basically about this fly. Let's give it a try. We tie this one on an SA250 saltwater hook, a little bit heavy hook, but it compares with the foam pretty good for this fly. Take some marabou for the tail. Then gotta add a little bit of flash for the tail. Just 2 straws and make it double. And cut them a little bit shorter. Then we're gonna use some yarn here. This is some woolly yarn from Extreme. Gonna use it as a rib. And then we have some long fiber dubbing. This one is some brown natural dubbing, but with some UV fibers in, some fluor fibers. Just gonna stop a little bit before. Then I have my foam, 2 millimeters foam. I just cut a small strip around 6 millimeters. Tie it in. And then we're gonna add some more dubbing in front. And then I'm gonna take my yarn, my woolly chenille here, turn it up on the body, on the other side of the foam as well, and then gonna secure it with my thread. Then I'm gonna switch around. To tie in the foam here in front, I use a monofile thread. It's easier to tie in without cutting in the foam. Then I'm gonna brush a little bit my dubbing out, put the foam out. Secured with a web finisher too. And then we're gonna have some of the foam in front to push the water against. And then we're just gonna brush out all the dubbing through the chenille so we got a more brushy fly. yeah, that's it. So give it a try.